if the other schools here want to know more about how you can approach developing an app for your own school, you can always contact me. Right. So how does all this work? Now, it seems pretty complex, but it's extremely simple. There is a backend database. I'm using Parse. Parse is a product by Facebook that actually hosts backend databases for free. So this entire app is free from the ground up. So backend database is where all the information will be stored. And whenever an administrator needs to add information to it, they can directly use an administrator app to add to the database. And whenever a user opens the app on their phone, it'll sync with the internet and will download all the data onto your phone, and you can view it instantly. Pretty simple. So what all did I learn out of this? I started off with iOS development almost an year and a half back when I really just wanted to start doing something different and adding to the technology related profile that I have. So that's how my development career started, but soon I got very much into it, and I thought that developing an app for school can be a great way to end my schooling journey and actually gift back school something. So that's how the idea of the app came about, and I learned a lot during the process. I of course learned very technical stuff like database management and how to use Swift. Swift is a programming language Apple created just a few years ago. So I learned how to use an all-new generation of technology and of language, programming languages. So that's all great. But my biggest takeaway out of this was that all of us are innovators, and it's actually just that you need to do what you want to do, and I'm sure you'll be successful. There's one thing you should take away from my presentation. It doesn't need to be the app, but make sure that all of you here do what you like to do in the future, and I'm pretty sure all of you here will be successful. With that, I would like to thank the audience for being so patient. And you can always contact me. I'm there on pretty much all social networks. Yes?
We will name this app after you.
Thank you. Okay.
We'll pay for it.
I don't really need it. It's a gift. Yes? Okay, so another thing, you will be able to use this app in the coming months. I'll let all of you guys know in coming assemblies of all the developments that are happening. And I'm pretty sure by the end of this year, you'll be running this app on all your phones.
Yes.
Great?